We're solving problem 17 from the MC10B from 2018. In rectangle PQRS, PQ is 8 and QR is 6. Points A and B lie on PQ, points C and D lie on QR, points E and F lie on RS, and points G and H lie on SP, so that AP is BQ is less than 4, and the convex hexagon ABCDEFGH is equilateral. The length of a side of this octagon can be expressed in the form k plus the square root of m times k plus m times the square root of n, where k, m, and n are integers, and n is not divisible by the square of any prime. What is k plus m plus n? So we have this rectangle, hexagon inscribed in a rectangle, and we can first, what we can do here is we can set a side length to be like variables, because we don't know any other side length here. They could be like anything that's less than 4. So we let B, Q, be x. Now we know that this is x, and by similar logic, AP is also x. So since this total length is 8, we know that AB is 8 minus 2x. This follows for the bottom side. So this is 8 minus 2x. And this is x and x. And now we have 6's here. And well, this might seem really weird, but we can still sort of try to find an equation for that. So what we can do is, well, realize that pH is x minus 1, and by similar reasoning, this is x minus 1, and you can basically fill that out for every single thing here now. So we can now use the Pythagorean theorem to determine this side. So we get x squared plus x minus 1 squared is equal to this side length squared. Let's call this like y squared. We have in like a normal Pythagorean like outline-ish, we can multiply this out. This is x squared plus x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to the side length squared, or y squared. This becomes 2x squared minus 2x plus 1 is y squared. And now, well, we have an equation for this diagonal of the hexagon, octagon really, but we don't have it in the form of k plus m root n. That is apparently the main problem. So, well, obviously that's not good, but we really know y squared because we know that it's equilateral. It's got to be 8 minus 2x, because that's also one side of the octagon. And for it to be equilateral, well, you have to basically make it so that all the sides are the same. So 2x squared minus 2x plus 1 is 8 minus 2x squared. And now we have an easier way of solving for x, where we can multiply this out, make the zeros, and then it's just a quadratic that you can solve. And solving for x, you get that x is 15 minus 3 times root 11 over 2. And you can clearly see that this is by the quadratic formula, as it's in the form of that. So you know you're supposed to apply that. Now we know x. We can plug it into here. So this is 8 minus 2 times this, so the 2 cancels out. This is 15 minus 3 root 11. Now we have it in this form. So we could just this is just 3 root 11 minus 7, or one of our sides. So what it asks for is what k plus m plus n is, which is 3 plus 11 minus 7 is 7. That's our answer.